Welcome back. If you were wondering where Vasudha Venugopal vanished today instead of anchoring this show with me, well, she was busy at the BJP headquarters. And what was happening there? A change of guard. A big moment for the BJP as a young 46-year-old Nitin Nabin from Bihar took charge as the party's president in an event which saw the Prime Minister, Home Minister, Defence Minister, BJP's former outgoing President JP Nadda all don the stage, send out a strong message. Is it the start of a generation next in the BJP? Are there several more organization changes to come at the state level? Multiple questions before the BJP about coordination with RSS. Several other questions in terms of the party's march towards the future under Nitin Nabin. And Vasudha Venugopal was there at the BJP headquarters, tracking every development, speaking to the voices that need to be spoken to, and to the reporters as well, to figure out what Nitin Nabin's rise to the top of the BJP hierarchy means for the party in the future. Listen in.
नितिन नवीन जी आगे बढ़ो। माननीय नितिन नवीन जी को दुनिया के सबसे बड़े राजनीतिक दल का अध्यक्ष चुने जाने पर बहुत बहुत बधाई देता हूं, बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं देता हूं। माननीय नितिन नवीन जी, मैं एक कार्यकर्ता हूं, वे मेरे बॉस हैं। इस महत्वपूर्ण कालखंड की शुरुआत में हमारे माननीय नितिन नवीन जी बीजेपी की विरासत को आगे बढ़ाएंगे। मैं आजकल के युवाओं की भाषा में कहूं तो नितिन जी खुद भी एक प्रकार से मिलेनियल है। वो उस जनरेशन से हैं जिसने भारत में बड़े आर्थिक, सामाजिक और टेक्नोलॉजिकल परिवर्तन होते देखे हैं। कभी भाजपा ने पार्टी विद अ डिफरेंस के रूप में अपनी यात्रा शुरू की थी। आज बीजेपी पार्टी ऑफ गवर्नेंस भी है।
The BJP has ushered in a generational shift within the party organization. Nitin Nabin, a legislator, a 5-term legislator from Bihar, has been made the president of the party. And this not only signals a generational shift, it also in some ways shows that the party is all set to reach out to the younger voter base in the country. In fact, the Prime Minister, speaking at the ceremony today, spoke about how Nitin Nabin, the new president of the BJP, is a millennial and how he will also look at driving the party's responsibilities. The Prime Minister in fact said that BJP is not a party that values positions and that its values don't change with leaders. It will follow the line that has been set. But he said, he praised Nitin Nabin a lot, and he said that he has not just youthful energy but also organizational experience that the party is going to benefit from.
साथियों, हाल में हमने देखा किस प्रकार से तमिलनाडु के एक पहाड़ी के पवित्र कार्तिकेय दीपम को रोकने का प्रयास विपक्षी दलों के द्वारा किया गया। अगले कुछ महीने में तमिलनाडु, असम, बंगाल, केरल और पुडुचेरी में चुनाव होने जा रहा है और वहाँ की डेमोग्राफी की पूरी चर्चा हो रही है। किस प्रकार से बदले हुए डेमोग्राफी में वहाँ चीज़ें बदल रही हैं और हमारे लिए अपने आप में एक चुनौती है। लेकिन हम पूरी तरह से आश्वस्त हैं कि भाजपा का कार्यकर्ता अपने संघर्ष और परिश्रम के बल पर इन 5 राज्यों में सशक्त भाजपा का नेतृत्व प्रदान करने जाएगा।
अध्यक्ष जो हैं युवा हैं, नौजवान हैं, तजर्बेकार हैं, उनसे बहुत सारी उम्मीदें हैं। जिस तरह से हमारी पार्टी तरक्की करती जा रही है उसमें और वो तरक्की करेंगे और उसको बढ़ाएंगे और फैलाएंगे। जिन स्टेटों में हम नहीं जीते आज उससे भी जीतेंगे।
इस पार्टी के अंदर में ना यूथ को अब धीरे धीरे आगे करा जा रहा है। प्लस आपको याद होगा लाल किले से मोदी जी ने ये चीज़ बोली थी कि 2 लाख युवा नेता वो बनाएंगे। ठीक है, तो वो 2 लाख युवा नेता मेरे हिसाब से उन्होंने ये चीज़ यहाँ पर नितिन नवीन जी हमारे नए राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष जो बनाए गए हैं उन्होंने इस चीज़ की प्रक्रिया को शुरू कर दिया गया है।
आज का कार्यक्रम देखकर हम सभी कार्यकर्ताओं में एक नई तरह की ऊर्जा है, क्योंकि भारतीय जनता पार्टी एकमात्र ऐसा संगठन है जो कार्यकर्ताओं को देखता है, कार्यकर्ताओं के हर कृत्य पे नजर रखता है और उनके हर लक्ष्य की प्राप्ति के लिए उनकी क्षमता अनुसार उनको उनके लक्ष्य की प्राप्ति भी होती है। चरे वेती यही तो मंत्र है अपना, नहीं थकना नहीं रुकना, यही तो मंत्र है अपना।
It's very exciting to have a new national president, and I don't think I have to add anything to what the Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji has already said about him. He's young, he's energetic, he's expected to infuse new life and also carry on the good work which is happening under the leadership of Prime Minister Modi, and also carry on the legacy of BJP and the erstwhile Bharatiya Janata Sangh, which is also observing completion of 75 years of its existence.
Kerala elections are coming up. Today the Prime Minister specifically talked about that, and Nitin Nabin also spoke about this. What is your expectation from the new president?
हम केरल के लोगों को प्रधानमंत्री जी केरल को हृदय में रखती है, ऊर्जा हमको भी मिला है। केरल के सभी बहन और भाइयों को हमारा निवेदन है, केरल में भी सरकार बनने के लिए बीजेपी का लक्ष्य को प्राप्त करने के लिए सहायता कीजिए।
Well, the very strong message that the Prime Minister gave was, and everybody is talking about it, is Nitin Nabin is my boss. These were the words of Prime Minister Narendra Modi from this stage, and in fact the message is very much clear that how a very grassroots worker who is very much grounded have worked immensely during Chhattisgarh elections, where in fact Chief Minister was Bhupesh Baghel, and in fact all the exit polls at that point of time pointed that Congress party would be winning the elections with a larger mandate. But then the work that Nitin Nabin did in the state of Chhattisgarh on the ground, in fact that reflected in his work and in the election results as well. Apart from that, he also in fact counted number of instances where it reflects the nature, the behavior of the newly elected president Nitin Nabin.
It's very interesting. He said अध्यक्ष बदलते हैं लेकिन values change नहीं होता है. Party, he said BJP is संस्कार, he said it's परिवार, he said positions don't matter in this party. पद नहीं, प्रक्रिया matter करती है. तो प्रक्रिया is processes. Aishwarya, according to you, what do you think was the most important highlight of what the Prime Minister said?
I think it was Karyakarta centric, and to boost the morale of the workers looking ahead of the 5 elections, perhaps Prime Minister mentioned how the Bharatiya Janata Party has worked forward in the last leg of these elections, specifically in the Maharashtra local body polls, and Nitin Nabin touching upon the issue of Deepam controversy in Tamil Nadu, also the Kerala controversy as well. How the Bharatiya Janata Party has gained momentum, and also the vote share has increased. Certainly each and every Karyakarta should work forward to win the upcoming 5 polls, and that's certainly a big moral booster for these Karyakartas.
बधाई हो, खुशियाँ मनाने का दिन है, बधाई हो, खुशियाँ मनाने का दिन है, ज़मीं पे सितारों के आने का दिन है, बधाई हो।
Well, Vasudha there was tracking that big day in the BJP, but remember Nitin Nabin taking charge at a time when the BJP is preparing for the next round of elections, crucial in South India, Tamil Nadu and Kerala, and of course the big one in West Bengal as well. That will be his first big test as the BJP president as the party launches its election drive. No wonder Deepam controversy was mentioned as well in that speech. That's all we have time for on the Southern View. News and updates continue right here on NDTV.